Okay, let's start. In this video I'm going to introduce you special right triangles. Let's begin with 3 4 5. 3 4 5 is a right triangle, and one side is the length of one side is, let's say, 3 centimeters, or we can use another units, but ignoring the units I just say 3 4 and the longest side will be 5 hypotenuse, and it's clear to see. Just we are going to use Pythagorean theorem. 3 squared, one side squared plus another side squared, 4 squared will be, and 9 plus 16 equals 25. 25 is square root of 5. It's 5 squared, and we understand that the long side will be 5 squared. So Pythagorean theorem says one of the shortest side squared plus another shortest side squared equals the sum of these two shortest sides squared equals square root of the longest side, square root of the longest side, which is 5 squared finally. And we can find its multiples. Let's say 6, 10, and 6, 8, and 10. Here was 6, here was 8, and as I said, I ignore the units. It could be 6 centimeters, 6 meters, no problem. 6, 8, and let's find the last one. Normally 3, 4, 5 triangles, and I'm going to multiply by 2, so I'm going to reach 6, 8, and 10. It's a kind of triangle. So can I find the longest side will be 10, but let's see clearly using Pythagorean theorem. 6 squared plus 8 squared equals 36 plus 64, which is 100. 100 is square root of 10. It is square root of 10. 10 squared. So final, the longest side is 10. And I can extend these examples, like giving you another example. Here is, let's say, example 1, 2, and finally example 3. Example 3. Example 3 is like another one, little bit. Here is, let's say, 12, and here is 90 degrees, and here is gonna be, because it is, let's say, 16. So what is going to be the longest side? The longest side is going to be, we can use Pythagorean theorem, 12 squared plus 16 squared, or, and like it takes time, I think, or we can use another way, which is 3 4 5 is a special triangle, and if I multiply by 4, and it's, I think this triangle is formed in this way by 4. 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, and 4 times 5 is 20. So the longest side will be 20. Or we can use Pythagorean theorem and find the longest side easily, hypotenuse.